Hey, how's it going, everybody? This is Greg here with Ramsay Reviews, showing you my newest purchase. This is, according to the manufacturer tag, this is a 1958 like aluminum boat ink 12-foot aluminum boat. Yeah, it's one of those things where it looks good from far, but it's far from good. I got it. This trailer it's hitting on, decent trailer. It's got one new tire on it, one needs to be fixed. Yeah, it has an older Minn Kota 38 pound of thrust electric trolling motor, 28 pounds, sorry. Came with 2 batteries, and those 2 paddles, couple life jackets. It was a pretty good deal. Went out with the girlfriend yesterday and today, and for a couple hours each time. Never had any problems, didn't leak. It was all great. But mind you, I paid $300 for everything, and I didn't really expect it very well. Well, after getting back now and looking, there is literally a 1/4 inch of silicone and whatnot in some places, and the paint is just peeling right off it. Silicone. So why? Well, I got to looking, and it looks like they bleached a couple times, and well, a lot, and ground down the rivets, so they start to leak. A few of them. You can see the main ones because it's really heavy around it. And back here, they previously tried with some black treatment that didn't work, so they siliconed over top. And there's a hole right there from a missing rivet, and one at the back as well. So I thought this was gonna be as simple. I'm also going to be welding all the seams everywhere, all the rivets, everything that touches water. Basically, I'm going to weld. I thought it was gonna be a simple build the inside, you know, carpeting, bass boat style, compartment storage, maybe even a live roll with a little electric pump that runs off the battery I already have. I have dual batteries in here too, marine batteries. But yeah, tomorrow after work, I'm gonna be coming with my grinder, wire wheel, and I've got to strip this down to bare aluminum again, see exactly what I have, and probably gonna go to the local flea market Friday and pick up some aluminum resin rods and some good map gas. Come back and weld up all the outside seams, basically from here type deal down around both, all the way down. Shouldn't be too bad. It's gonna take probably 4 to 6 hours, I figure, but this is just the first step of the video. You know, my dad told me it floats, it works, don't touch it. But as soon as I flipped it upside down here in my yard, there's no drain plug on it, weirdly enough. So I flipped it upside down because I knew we were getting some rain. Figured that'd be smart. It's super light, probably 45 or 50 pounds, maybe 60. And that's when I noticed some of the paint has started to scruff off from rubbing against the pads yesterday and today. Obviously, they just painted it to cover it up. And like I said, I didn't really check it out too much. It was just a quick, okay, yeah, that's cheap, it works. Comes with the motor, let's buy it, throw it in, and go fishing right now. And we did. No problems, no leaks. But I poked the bear. And now this is gonna be a complete rester job. But I guess the benefit to that is now I can actually paint it nice, leave the bottom half bare aluminum, polish it up so it looks nice, repaint it red. the underside is, I don't know if you guys will be able to see this real well, is they repainting it green. And I'm not sure if I like that. I think I might want to go red. I mean gray. Gray. Then I might also go gray on the red strips here. Then leave this just polished aluminum silver. I think that would look pretty sharp. Maybe even redo the trailer black. You know it's fresh when you still have the inside of the boat paint. But yeah, I will stay tuned, guys. I will make another video tomorrow when I come and start to strip after work. And oh boy, I have a feeling we're in for a big project. Can't strip too much tomorrow because I have to get an aluminum wire wheel brush. I only have steel, and it's not good to use that. It'll eat right through it. However, I do think I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of the seams anyway, just to start there. Then I'll wait till Friday till I can go get a proper aluminum wire wheel brush, proper map gas. I have butane or benzene or whatever the heck it's called right now, but it's not hot enough. So I'll get some map gas and some aluminum brazen rods, however you want to say it. And once it's all cleaned up, down at bare metal, get all that silicone crap off. We'll go from there. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys. This is Ramsay's Reviews. This is Greg Ramsay here saying have a good night, and I'll see y'all tomorrow with the new boat build.